yeah, my the cool shirt makes it feel like I've just peed myself in a real pleasant way.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you too.
You'll just pull your gloves up after.
Okay.
After they see it.
So
I don't know if I'm soaking wet or just cold.
straight.
Say again?
You're gonna have to retighten your
back straight.
Like while you're out there, they'll loosen up.
Yeah, just pull them tight on the back straight. You have a lot of time there.
Yep.
And then visor down.
Yep.
An inch from bottom. I have to keep a mental note of that. But you can roll up with it open.
But they want it quick down.
Yep. If it starts to fog like it is now, you can bring it up a little bit.
Okay.
They won't notice.
If it keeps on fogging, I got anti-fog in the house or in there.
Okay.
Actually,
I'd like to apply some of that anti-fog bug.
what time is it now? It's 9:42.
I can't do it with the helmet on.
You have the visor off.
So it's going to be like if we lose comms totally, because you're starting before the actual track has started, we're doing an hour and 55 minutes.
155?
From now. So if you want to cycle the clock right now, we can. We can shut the car off.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's kill it so we don't do the resistor too much. All right.
Cool. Okay. 155, got it.
Yeah, if we got no comms, that's it.
Okay.
No comms? Well, we don't. If it becomes totally unusable, he's gonna look at the clock.
I'm gonna go around to the right?
Yep.
And then hit
I
on?
think everyone else is going that way and in.
Okay.
So I would come out to the left. Good luck, Josh.
Woo!
Get it. It's right.
Mother Earth, this is Captain. Mother Earth, I'm about to go fight some pollution.
How we doing?
Good, sir. How are you?
Wonderful. I'm doing fine, just not quite as good as you.
I suspect you've done one or two of these.
That's a wonderful thing. All right, you keep these tight. Don't let them loosen up.
Okay.
Socks and shoes.
Yep.
Pin is out on your fire system,
Pin is
correct?
out. Yes, sir.
It's a wonderful thing. Good luck.
Have a good
Go
one.
out there and have some fun.
Oh, yeah. Mother Earth, this is Captain. We are lined up in the hot pit. Mother Earth Captain, copy request. comms check, turn.